Hello guys, how to fix printing error code 0x00000709 operation could not be completed, printer error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is run the printer troubleshooters. Go to settings, under system settings, choose troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and run the printer troubleshooters. It will not only detect the issue, resolve them accordingly. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. And check whether your printer is in good condition or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search and open local group policy editor in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Here from the left pane, go to under computer configuration, expand administrative templates and select printers. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option configure RPC connection setting. Double click on it to open its properties. Choose the enabled button and under drop down menu you will find the option RPC over named pipes. Select it and finally click on apply and then OK button to save the changes. Again in same windows look for printer browsing. Apply a double click on it and make sure this is also in enabled mode. Finally click on apply and then OK to save the changes and check your printer error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type services and open services windows and Windows 10 and Windows 11. Restart print a spooler services. In services windows, look for print a spooler services and in apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic, and if you found it is in disabled mode, simply choose the start button to start it. If you found print a spooler service already started, then simply right click on it and choose restart. Sometimes restarting print a spooler services resolved most of the printer problems. And the next workaround to fix this issue is go to device manager and update printer driver. Here go to the expand print queues key, right click on your printer and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers and your error will be definitely resolved. That's all.